Okay, so now we're going to color this cartoon. So here you can actually see the drawing underneath. So I'm going to scroll down to where it says image. See if you can see it up here. Down here it says image. And on there, there's a lock. And so it doesn't move. And the eyeball to hide it. So I want you to hide it. You don't want to see it. And then right now we have all these separate brush strokes, say that individual. We're going to combine them all into one group. So I want you to draw a big rectangle around the entire drawing, like this. Draw the entire drawing. Now everything is selected. So now I am going to group this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click inside the drawing and group it. Now you can see right here that every little brush stroke is a path. It says path, 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 and then you have image at the bottom where that we're tracing, right? So I'm going to click on group, and now all the ink drawings are in a folder called group, and here, and we have, this is the drawing, the original drawing, the pencil drawing, or whatever. I mean yeah. And here is the ink drawing. So I'm going to hide the pencil drawing, and I already have all the images as a group. So now I am going to start coloring. So, and the way I'm going to start coloring, I'm going to magnify the with here on the bottom right, the magnification, and we're going to color. So what we're going to do is, let me zoom out because I think I'm a little too close. Zoom out a little bit. There. Oops. Kind of slow computer. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the pen tool. Oh, before we start that, we're going to find the colors. So I want you to go online, go to Google, and type in the name of your character. Mine is Simba. And go to images, and I'm going to find a picture, and I'm going to right click on that picture and save this image. Save image as, and there it is. I save it. And then I want you to go and click on the cloud under vector, and I'm going to upload that image that you just downloaded. I'll put it here for reference. Escape. Let's move it over here. For color reference, that's what we're going to use it for, color reference. So I'm going to take my oh, and also you should lock the group, and maybe lock the image so it doesn't move. I have a path here that I don't remember drawing, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, so take the pen tool and start clicking inside the lines like this. If you were a drawing, right? Click inside the lines. Just going to do it here so you can see what I'm doing. Click inside the lines like this, and have a closed shape. Like if wherever you start, you should finish wherever you start. So then I have the colors here. I can have any color that I want, right? But if you see here, there's a little eye picker or color picker. You can pick the color. Also, it has a black border. So click on that where it says border, because that could be any color. It could be like green, but we don't want a green border. So click on where it says border, it's a check mark. Take the check mark off so we don't see it. But now we need to see this color behind the drawing. So right here, this path, and you can name it if you want. You can call it fur if you want it. And that way you can say, okay, here's the image, here's the group. So I can take the fur and put it underneath, drag it underneath, and now it's behind, okay? Now, I'm going to do the eyelid. So I'm going to take the pen tool, click on the pen tool, and click inside the lines like this, and do the eyelid. Close it, click on the color, click on the picker, select the color, get rid of the border, and drag this one underneath group. Put it underneath group. Okay, there it is. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing. The bottom eyelid. Click on it like this. And then click on the color. Click on the eye picker, or color picker. It's about the same color as this. Get rid of the border and drag this under group, under the word group. All right. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And now we're going to do the eyeball. So usually you start out from, if you're from the base, whatever the background, and then you move forward. So we're going to click on I'm selecting the eyeball, close it, add a color. I can't see my color guide. Here's my color guide. Click on the color, click on the picker, select the eyeball color, get rid of the border, and then drag this underneath group. There you go. And now we are going to click on the pen tool again, draw the color of the eyes like this, close the shape, pick a color, get the color picker, and it's this bright orange with no outline. Drag this under group. There we go. So that's how you're going to do color. You're going to and you can even add a little bit of a highlight. There's no highlight, so you can just draw an ellipse like that. Make it white. Make sure it doesn't have a border. And there, look at that little highlight on there. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be coloring the cartoon. All right.